Another great weekend. Hope you're ready for another great trading week. All right, so welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go over the markets. We have a lot of information to go through. All right, so let's go right into, hold on right here. All right, much better here, much better. Okay, all right, guys. The dollar index gave a buy signal, all right, which is pretty cool, right? For the first time since the last buy signal, guys, that was in June, all right? So June, early June, all right? The dollar index gave a buy signal right here. Now we've got a new buy signal. So really keep an eye on your dollar pairs, okay? So buy signal here on the dollar index. Okay, let's take a look at big picture. All right, Dow big picture, guys, on the weekly time frame looks good. Buy signal here, holding firm near all-time highs. Now the equity markets were up on Friday, so the Dow was up 341 points. Nasdaq was up 168 points. S&P was up and the Russell was up. VIX was down. All right, so that's good. VIX was down. On the Dow monthly time frame, right, we're holding right near the highs there on the Dow monthly time frame. S&P weekly time frame holding firm. All right, monthly time frame on the S&P, right at all-time highs, guys. Look at that. All right, Nasdaq holding, looking to break through that resistance right here. On the weekly and on the monthly, breaking through resistance right here. All right, Russell, guys, still holding. We need the Russell to break through resistance right here on the weekly and on the monthly, still holding. So we need the Russell to break out, but we've got the Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq moving nicely. Okay, the VIX, guys, is at 1921. All right, so remember that. The Magnificent Seven, Tesla, all right, still holding there. Amazon holding, green candle. All right, we'll go through this quickly. Look at Meta, guys. Facebook, look at that. All right, here was our buy signal right here at 547, trading at 595. All right, so Facebook's doing good. NVIDIA, green candles, moving up nicely, looking to break through that resistance, trading at 24. Google right here, let's see here, buy signal here, breaking through that resistance. Okay, so the Mag 7s are doing good. Apple got a bid on Friday, green candle here. Again, we need to break through that resistance right here. And Microsoft, all right, Microsoft is the only lagger right now. Red candles here, but if you guys look here, if we bring in the trend line, you guys will notice here, right here. All right, so we need to just get a bounce here. Keep an eye on it, red candles. But overall, all right, the Magnificent Seven stocks are doing well. Bitcoin is at 62, nothing to talk about here. All right, it's going to break through that resistance at about 70, 71, 72,000 to really get going there. The dollar index, you guys remember, right? We have a buy signal on the daily. All right, on the monthly here, we got a white candle, held support, all right, or resistance back all the way back to 2015 right here. Big white candle moving up there. All right, that's the dollar index. Pound yen, look at pound yen. Look for opportunities, and we'll do that this evening in the pound yen to go long. Look at that. Big green candle there, and we're in long in several positions in the yen pairs. Okay, so pound yen, big green candle. We were looking for pound yen to break through, guys, and it certainly did on Friday. Near-term resistance. So now we can remove these candle resistance line, and we can move it right about here. Okay, so green candles moving up nicely. Pound yen on the weekly, and again pound yen on the monthly time frame, guys. We buy signal here, and we are breaking resistance here on the monthly time frame. The yen, all right, so the Japanese yen, guys, got a sell signal and is moving lower. next area of support. All right, and we can use this. So no longer is it moving higher. We'll bring down that support line right about here. And as the yen moves lower, pound yen, all right, with all those yen pairs should move higher, okay? So yen, right, in the futures market moving down lower here. Crude oil, guys, crude oil is in a tight consolidation, trading at 74 for crude, all right? We'll start to see, if crude can get to $100, guys, we'll start to see some real panic in crude. But right now, it's holding a fairly decent trend line here. All right, let's bring that here. All right, okay, and resistance is right here. We are looking for crude to perhaps break through that resistance. Very defined support and resistance here. Okay, so resistance, and then we've got support right, let's call it right about here. Okay, all right, so we're looking to break through, currently consolidating right in here. Okay, gold, big moves in gold, guys, big moves. Buy signal here from our system at 2200, and look at gold, guys, 2670 in gold. If you're trading it, great job, okay? Great job in gold. Silver also making a move higher, broke resistance right here. Buy signal came in, guys, at $23. Silver is trading at 29. So gold and silver, very bullish right now, okay? Bonds, all right, bonds is coming down. As equity markets move higher, guys, we'll see bonds come down, okay? All right, so great price action in the markets. Let's take a look at Forex this evening. Good volatility in Forex, guys. About 90% volatility in Forex on the daily time frame. That's good. About the same on the 240. All right, 240 time frame. That's really good. And even on the 60. All right, so across the board, 60, 240, and daily, we've got great volatility. And look here this evening, guys, the yen pairs, that's perhaps your best trade, right? Your second best trade might be the dollar pairs. But right now, the leaders are Aussie yen, ZAR yen, New Zealand yen, so Kiwi yen, Hong Kong HKD, Turkish TRY yen, SGD, Singapore dollar yen, CAD yen, dollar yen, pound yen, euro yen, they're all moving higher. And you guys can see the yen pairs here, all blue, right? So blue, buyers are coming in on the 60-minute time frame, on the 240, and on the daily time frame. Expect buying to come in also in the Aussie and Kiwi pairs, okay? Just keep an eye on that. And dollar pairs, guys, we have buyers coming in on the dollar pairs. And remember, we have a buy signal on the dollar index. Okay, so really, really good price action, really good movement in the markets. Okay, as far as on Friday, how the markets closed. So you guys can see here. All right, so the S&P buy signal right here. Held the previous resistance becomes support. Buy signal here, moving higher. Good price action on the S&P. This is on the daily time frame, so not big picture. All right, we near to the action on the daily time frame. All right, on the NASDAQ, guys, buy signal here. All right, good price action here, breaking out on the NASDAQ and on the Dow. Good price action here on the Dow. All right, if we look here, buy signal here, retrace. Held support and moving up nicely here on the Dow. And let's take a look at the Russell. All right, so remember the S&P and NASDAQ, those are large caps. All right, so the IWM, the Russell, small cap stocks, and it got a bounce on Friday. Nice bounce off that trend line. Let's take a look here. All right, so we want to follow our price action, guys. All right, so nice bounce for the IWM. We were looking for a bounce, well, hoping for a bounce, and that came in. So here's your upward trend line. All right, Usually, guys, if we can get a green candle followed by these white candles here, that's very bullish, and we got that. So here, got a nice bounce here, and we get a nice bounce here. White candle, green candle, buyers are coming in, and we have resistance right here. Okay, so we look for the Russell, guys, to break through that resistance or that high, let's call it, right here. Good price action, and the Russell has been lagging, so we're looking, hopefully it breaks out to the upside. Okay, VIX, as I mentioned, VIX is at 19. Okay, we're starting to see some of the sectors come down, but they're holding firm. Most of the sectors here are holding firm. Okay, let's go through current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper, as you guys can see, right? We're not shorting. Most of these are longs. Not a lot of price action in the euro and pound pairs as usual, but we do have great trades going. Let's take a look in the yen pairs and in the dollar pairs. Now, it's rare that we will see the dollar pairs and the yen pairs move up together in the same direction, but that's what we have now. So we'll go along with the price action, right? So let's go through these. USD CHF, all right? Let's see here. Hold on. All right, that buy signal closed, so we got to close that. That's an old buy signal there. So dollar Swiss closed that trade. All right, dollar CAD closed that trade. USD CNH closed that trade. So we should be out of those trades a long time ago. HKD JPY. HKD JPY, guys, buy signal here. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. This is on the daily time frame. That's why. Hold on. I thought something was strange there. Let's go back. It's on the daily time frame. All right, so 60-minute, all right, that's what we need, the 60-minute time frame. All right, so what was it? Dollar Swiss, let's see here. All right, so USD, CHF, dollar Swiss. All right, buy signal here, still holding, so let's add that back. USD, CHF. All right, sorry about that. And then dollar CAD, I believe, was it dollar CAD, USD, CAD, dollar CAD. Let's see here. All right, dollar CAD buy signal here, holding. And there was one more, I forgot what that symbol was, but we'll keep these two. If you remember, just put it in the chat and I'll add it, okay? So USD Swiss, dollar Swiss, buy signal here, guys, look at that. Good price action, buy signal here. I'm moving up nicely. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on that. Dollar CAD, all right, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Look at that, hugging that trend line. That's really good price action there, okay? And now the yen pair. So HKD, JPY, buy signal here, guys. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Previous buy did okay. HKD, JPY, TRY, JPY, buy signal here, moving up nicely there. USD JPY, look at that. USD JPY, I think we call these on Friday, right? Buy signal right here, moving up nicely. SGD JPY, same thing. Buy signal here, and that's breaking out, okay? CAD Yen, so CAD JPY, buy signal here, and moving up nicely here. Euro Yen, buy signal here and moving up nicely. And Swiss Yen, all right, Swiss Yen, all right, buy signal here, all right, moving up nicely here. And we've got a trend line right here. So great price action, guys, with the yen pairs, okay? All right. On the 60-minute time frame. Now let's take a look at the 240. 240-minute time frame. Let's go through these. All right, Aussie Swiss still holding, guys. Buy signal here. All right, lots of consolidation in here, but still holding. No red candles, no sell signals, okay? So buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Dollar and OK, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Again, the dollar and yen pair is moving long. Buy signal here, USD, Swiss, dollar, Swiss, buy signal here, moving up. And we'll look for new opportunities this evening in the yen pairs, okay? In the dollar pairs. USD, SEK, buy signal here, right here, moving up nicely there. USD, DKK, guys, look at these. Buy signal here, moving up nicely in the 240. USD, CNH, not a great trade. Look here, guys. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Target is all the way up here. All right, here's your target all the way up here. And we have some longs on the 240 in the yen pair. So Aussie yen. All right, buy signal here, moving up. Aussie yen, HKD, JPY, buy signal here, moving up. TRY, JPY, buy signal here, moving up. Dollar yen, USD, JPY, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. SGD, JPY, buy signal here, and that is moving up nicely there. Okay. All right. CAD yen, buy signal, moving up nicely. And Swiss yen, buy signal here, moving up. All right. So, guys, good price action, good movement in both the yen pairs and the Aussie and the dollar pairs. Okay. Long positions in Forex Dominator. Let's go through those. We do have a couple of shorts in Forex Dominator. Dollar shorts, those are probably getting squeezed. Aussie CAD, buy signal here, still holding. Aussie dollar, buy signal here. Red candles here, guys. I think we got back in right here. All right, keep an eye on it. We need a bounce of this trend line. So let's draw that in right here. And we need a bounce right here. Green candles to come in and break through that resistance. New Zealand dollar, red candle, close the trade, guys. Okay, so buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. Okay, Aussie yen. All right, good trade going here. Let's make sense of this. All right, here's your markdown phase right here. Let's draw it out. All right, markup. All right, buy signal here, and it's moving higher. Aussie yen, SGD, Singapore dollar yen, same thing, guys. Moving up nicely. Look here. All right, markdown phase. Make sure you draw in your lines. And markup. All right, buy signal here, all green candles moving up nicely there. Okay. All right. And New Zealand, did we call it New Zealand dollar? Okay, same thing. All right. Again, make sure you bring in your lines. It will help you stay in the trade. All right. And then ZAR yen, guys. ZAR yen. ZAR yen right here, same thing. All right. Bring in your lines. All right, nicely done. Okay. All right, 2 shorts in Forex Dominator. We've got dollar shorts. Okay, let's see how they're doing. All right, so USD SEK, guys, USD SEK. Green candle here, buy to cover, so close the trade. USD SEK, close the trade, please. USD NOK, same thing. Green candle coming in here, guys. Sell short signal was right here. All right, so cover the trade, please. All right, so no shorts now. Monster Scalper 60. Monster Scalper 240, and also Forex Dominator. All right, we don't have any shorts. Okay, we'll take a look at equities on Tuesday. Okay, equities. We'll take a look at equities on Tuesday. Okay. All right, our US 30 traders. Let's go through those. All right, so we call the buy signal. Right, buy signal on the US 30 right here on Friday, right after the Fed news. And guys, move down all the way down here to support, held support. If you guys were day trading it, I'm sure you guys didn't stay in all the way down here with US 30 traders, but really started to move higher and is now breaking through resistance. Okay, so we still hold that buy signal. And on the daily time frame, we've got a buy signal here, holding firm. All right, buy signal moving up nicely there. Okay, so we're looking for some upward, more upward momentum in Monster US 30. NAS 100, guys, same thing. Buy signal here, holding right here. And then S&P 500. S&P 500 buy signal here and holding. We also call buys on the S&P and on the NAS 100. Okay. Quick look at, let's see here, Stock Boss, Hit Seeker, just to see how they ran on Friday. Again, we'll go through stocks. Okay, Stock Boss has 84, guys. That's quite a bit. All right, so 84. Let's see what sectors they're buying the most of. Technology, it looks like, and services. All right, communication services. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. So if Stock Boss had over 80, Bullmaster should have a lot more, and that's all right. 128 in Bullmaster. All right, so lots of stocks. We'll go through those on Tuesday. Okay, guys? All right. Bullmaster Pro should be all green. Look at here, all green. So nice big update in equities. In Bullmaster Pro. That's your large cap. All right, guys? So that's your large cap Bullmaster Pro. Okay? All right. So let's look for new positions. All right. So new positions in Monster Scalper. Hold on right here. All right. So new positions in Monster Scalper. Let's do this right here. Okay. So we're looking for long positions on the 60-minute time frame. So we're looking to add new positions on the 60-minute time frame in Monster Scalper, and then we'll be done. All right. All right. All right, we're going to add, guys, ZAR Yen. So ZAR, ZAR, JPY, long, 60-minute in Monster Scalper. All right, buy signal here on the 60-minute ZAR Yen, guys, right here, moving up highly, breaking resistance here. And also on the 240, we're going to add it also. So on the 240, right here, we've got a buy signal. All right, we already called it on the daily. So buy signal here on the 240, And we do have a buy signal already in on the daily. So ZAR yen 60 and 240. Okay. All right. USD JPY. We have a buy signal in that already. TRY JPY. We have a buy signal already on the 60 and on the 240. Daily setting up. SGD JPY. We already have a buy signal there on the 60. Let's see on the 240. Yes, we do. Okay. And let's go back, see if we have a buy signal on the daily. SGD JPY. Yes, we have a buy signal in already on the daily. NZD JPY. Do we have a buy signal? Let's add that. So NZD JPY long 60 minute. And no buy signal on the 240. There is a buy signal on the daily. NZD JPY. We've already called that. HKD JPY. We already called that trade on the 60 and on the 240. Did we? Yes. All right. And on the daily. Hold on. We don't want to miss anything. On the daily, we have a new buy signal. Look here. All right, guys, look at that. New buy signal came in on the daily. HKD, JPY. So HKD, JPY, long, daily. All right, let's keep going. All right, pound yen, guys, pound yen, buy signal here on pound yen. That's a new trade. So pound yen, GBP, JPY, long, 60 minute. All right. No buy signals on the 240 and a buy signal on the daily. So 60 and daily. So we've got buy signals coming in on the daily, guys. Euro yen buy signal on the 60-minute time frame. We're in that already. New buy signal on the 240. All right, so we'll add that. EUR, JPY, long, 240. And no buy signal on the daily, okay? All right, Swiss yen. Swiss yen buy signal on the 60-minute. We're in that already. Swiss yen on the 240, and then Swiss yen on the daily time frame. So we don't have it on the daily, so we will add that. CHF, JPY, long, daily. All right. CAD yen, guys, the yen pairs are really moving. When we have buy signals like this, CAD yen, guys, on the 60, 240, and daily, that says a lot. Okay, so CAD yen 60-minute, we're already in it on the 60. CAD yen on the 240, we already have that. And then CAD yen on the daily, let's add that. CAD yen, long, daily. All right. And then Aussie yen buy signal on the 60. AUD, JPY, long, 60. 60. On the 240, we've got it already. And on the daily, we have a buy signal. Aussie yen, we've already called that. All right, dollar pairs. Let's see here. USD SGD, that's gone already. USD SEK, so USD SEK, long, 60. USD PLN, that's gone. USD NOK. The concern here, guys, very choppy. It's got purple support and resistance. The 240 looks really good. Okay, we'll go ahead and add it. USD NOK long 60. USD HUF. Long 60. And also long on the daily. All righty. Nothing here. USD DKK on the 60. All right, the 240, that's gone. USD DKK. USD CZK, let's add that also. USD CZK long 60. 240 is gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. USD CAD, dollar CAD. We do have that on the 60-minute 240. Right, let's add it. USD CAD. And we're done, guys. So on the 240-minute time frame. All right, so short evening this evening. All right, I know we've got a hurricane coming through again. All right, in Central Florida, so the Orlando area. All right, so it's wet outside, so you guys be careful. All right, be careful out there. All right, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, we've got some good price action, good trading tomorrow. But guess what? Yen pairs are moving long, guys. Dollar pairs are moving long. Equities are moving. So, right, markets are moving. Take advantage of those moves, right? We don't get these moves every time. Okay, guys? All right, take care. Have a good evening. See you guys on Tuesday. Okay, take